This trick is called Turbine and it looks like this. Turbine starts in a 1.5 mount. And from here, you're going to drop the counterweight out of your throw hand and just let it dangle off of your opposite hand. Then you're going to take the bottom 3 fingers on your throw hand and pinch the string leading to the counterweight. And you want to take your thumb on your throw hand and pinch the string that you just pinched with your bottom 3 fingers against your pointer finger. From here, you're going to swing the counterweight over top to your throw hand side and roll the yo-yo to your throw hand side once. And the counterweight's going to land on top of your wrist. From here, you want to pull off with your opposite hand so that the counterweight starts swinging in the opposite direction. And then you want to swing the yo-yo over to your opposite hand side twice, bringing the counterweight underneath your throw hand wrist. So let's go over that one more time. In a 1.5, drop, pinch, swing over to your throw hand side, then swing over to your opposite hand side, rolling the yo-yo twice and moving the counterweight around once. That holds true for the whole trick, so you're always doing 1 counterweight rotation and 2 yo-yo rotations. You can repeat this back and forth motion as many times as you want, and when you're ready to dismount from the trick, you want to roll the yo-yo over to your throw hand side and have the counterweight on top of your wrist. And before we move on to the dismount, there's a special way that you need to set up your throw hand. So, rather than having your hand set up like this with your bottom 3 fingers and your pointer finger at a right angle, instead you want to push your pointer finger forward and pull the bottom of your hand back. This increases the distance between the yo-yo and the counterweight string, which is going to make the dismount much easier to perform. So once you have that in mind, and you're in this position, you want to pull the counterweight toward your opposite hand side, and rather than holding on to the counterweight string like we were earlier in the trick, instead you want to let go and let the counterweight swing around your wrist twice. And when you're doing this, you also want to roll the yo-yo toward your opposite hand twice. When the counterweight goes around your wrist, it's really important that the counterweight goes around almost exactly 2 times. So you'll see that the counterweight string starts at my thumb, then it goes around my wrist, and it ends right at the level of my thumb. This string proportion helps a lot with the timing of the dismount. And when you're doing this, if you find that the counterweight string is too long, that means that at the beginning of the trick in the 1.5 mount, you need to give the yo-yo more string. If the counterweight goes around your wrist less than twice, then you need to give the yo-yo less string in the 1.5 mount. Once you have the counterweight around your wrist, then you need to get ready for the dismount. And to do this, you're going to make a big circle motion with your throw hand, which is going to kickstart the counterweight on its rotation. And you want to roll the yo-yo toward your throw hand side twice. So the dismount looks like this. And you want to drop the loop on your pointer finger right when the counterweight reaches this position. So when it's no longer wrapped around your wrist and it's pointing parallel to the ground on your throw hand side. So once the counterweight reaches that position, then you want to drop the loop on the yo-yo, and both the yo-yo and the counterweight are going to be swinging toward your opposite side. Then you want to catch the counterweight in your non-throw hand and swing the yo-yo into a opposite side trapeze and his brother. Then you can do a trapeze and his brother switch, and then you can do another switch by dropping the counterweight, swinging into a trapeze. From there, you can perform a bind. And that is Turbine. Then you want to make a big circle motion with your throw hand, which is going to kickstart the counterweight on its swing. You want to roll the yo-yo toward your throw hand side twice, let the counterweight come around twice. I did that wrong.